Hello, this is Prakash. Welcome to the next edition of Coffee Time Success Nuggets. Whenever it comes to many of my corporate sessions, people are always bothered about what's going to happen based on the work that I have done. While theoretically, there are several answers that can be given. Let me put it across in one simple way, something which resonates with what Lord Krishna mentioned even in Gita. I would rather put it this way: the only thing that we have control in our lives, for sure, at least to a greater degree, is the amount of efforts that we can put in, the kind of efforts that we can put in. Focused efforts, setting the goal properly, making the plan wisely, getting the execution right, on paper at least. All these things are doable. What surely is not, at least in your full control, is the results that are going to come out. About a year back, or a little earlier than that, which CEO of which company would have been able to think what's going to happen because of COVID? They didn't even know COVID was going to hit. And when it hit hard, they didn't know how hard it was going to hit. Each and every one of them had a blueprint for success for the financial year 2021, starting from April 2020 to March 2021. Everything went haywire. So, what happened to the best of the plan? Many of the smart CEOs, many of even smart families switched back to what is best for them, which is keeping the efforts in control. What I do in terms of efforts, which is nothing but input. As a farmer, I have control on tilling the soil, the kind of seed that I can sow, the kind of protection I can give in terms of ensuring that the weeds don't spread across the land. All these things are in my control. But actually, what is going to be produced out of these seeds, it's beyond my control. There are so many other environmental factors, my own karma, my own mistakes that I make, which are influenced by my poor decision making, so many factors which we are not even aware. Hence, if you are really smart, if you want your family, if you want your personal life, if you want your organizational life to prosper, it's not wrong to set goals. It's not wrong to make plans. But once that is done, the best control that you have is maybe 1, 2, 3 days at a time. If you're able to put in the right efforts one day after a time, it's like playing maybe a test match or a cricket one day, or a T20 match or a football match. You can plan your moves, you can execute. What happens at the end of the day, there is a competition, there is a crowd pressure, there are so many other factors, visible, invisible, natural, artificial, which are beyond our control. The more we focus on the results, the lesser peace and happiness we tend to have. Even when it comes to working within teams, the maximum control you have is in terms of the support that you can give to your team members, how they process, what they do, even when it comes to relationship between a spouse. What you do from your side as a spouse is in your control. Whether your spouse actually likes it, agrees it, ticks off the box saying it's wonderful what you did or not, it's surely not in your control. Whether it's personal life, professional life, organizational life, spiritual life, any life for that matter. One thing that, to a great extent, not 100%, but to a very large extent, is in complete control, is what I bring to the table in terms of concerted efforts. If you're able to focus there, when you continue to do the work after sipping the coffee that you are currently doing while watching this episode, you will find to a great extent that you are at peace. In all probabilities, results will still be there. In fact, it might even be better than what you would anticipate it to be. Is it easy to do? Not at all. In terms of theory understanding, of course, yes. But take one day at a time. For the next 2 to 3 days' time, shift your focus onto efforts. Ensure that the moment your mind wanders towards results, pull it back into efforts and start putting more and more efforts. Ensure that you give 100% in whatever you do. Leave the results destiny onto something, think that it's going to be beyond you. I am not asking you to give up. I am asking you to shift the focus. Do it for a few days. Let the results speak for yourself, speak for itself, in fact, for that matter. Efforts versus results. Where should your focus be? Time to start thinking. Till we meet again in the next edition, this is Prakash signing off.